Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Arqam. Today in this lecture I will discuss to calculate the number of bricks at a superstructure of a building by thumb rule. Okay, so this is 2D plan. Okay, let's look here. This is the length of the plan and this is the width of the plan. Okay, and this is the thickness of this wall is 9 inches. This is the external wall. Okay, this is all the external wall, and the brick which used in this wall is 9 inches width, and the internal wall that is made or that is constructed by the wall that width is 5 inches. So this is the width and this is the length of this plan. Okay, so the cover area of this plan is 1000 square feet. Okay, so the length of this interior wall or partition wall is 8 feet and 1 inches, and the internal from here to here, the length of this overall internal wall is or partition wall is 48 feet and 6 inches, and this from the length of this wall or this is also partition wall is 10 feet. Okay, so I have to find the number of bricks by thumb rule of this plan. Okay, the height of this plan is 10 feet and the cover area is 1000 square feet. Okay, so the first of all I have to find the overall length of that 9-inch wall and 5-inch wall. So first of all I have to find the overall length of 9-inch wall. So length of 9-inch wall is 20 plus 20 plus 50 plus 50. These all dimensions are given in feet. So looks here, this is 50, this is also 50. This side is the right side is 20 feet and this is the left side is also 20 feet. So when I add these all, so I will get the 140 feet length. Okay, so area of 9-inch wall is, so I have, this is overall length, I have to find the area, so I multiply this by height. Okay, so I have to multiply this by height, so the height is given to us is 10 feet, so I multiply these both, we will get the overall area. So area of 9-inch wall is 1400 square feet. Okay, so this is the overall area, cover area of that plan that is given to us. So length of 5 feet wall is, so that was about the 9 area of or length of the 9-inch wall. So now I have to find the length of the this 5-inch wall. So I have to find the overall length of 5-inch wall now. So now looks here, this is the length, this is also length, and this is 10 feet, this is also that, these all are given to us. Looks here, and this diamond, so this is the length, this is also length, this is also length, this is 8 feet and 1 inches, this is also 8 feet and 1 inches. So 8 feet and 1 inches is 1 2, and 10 feet, this is also 1 2, and this is the overall length that is given to us, that is 8.5 inches. So now 48.6 inches. So now looks here, area of 5-inch wall is equal to, this is the, when I sum these all, I get this in feet. So this is the overall length of that wall. So area of 5-inch wall is, when I multiply this by height, so length multiplied by height, I get the overall area of the 5-inch wall. So as we know that one square feet of 9 bricks is equal to, it means that the one foot, okay, and looks here, it is somehow square. Okay, this is also 1 foot, this is also 1 foot. Okay, 1 foot. Okay, so this area is covered by 9.8 bricks having 9 width. Okay, and 1 square feet of 5 bricks, it means that the brick width is 5 inch, so it cover the 4.5 bricks. Okay, so 14.5, if one square foot of 9-inch cover the 9.8 bricks. Okay, so 1400 square foot of 9-inch bricks is equal to, so I multiply 9.8 multiply by 1400, I will get the number of bricks. So okay, after this, for this is the overall, if 1 square foot of 5-inch brick is equal to 4.5 8 bricks. So 846.666 square feet of 5-inch brick is equal to, I multiply this by I multiply this by this I multiply this by this. Okay, so I will get the overall brick of the 5-inch brick. So it means that the 9-inch bricks will required to us is that much, and the 5-inch bricks required to us is that much. Okay, so this is the end of this lecture. If you have any question regarding this lecture, so you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.